How's it going, guys? Today we're talking about the Oak, Vista, Eagle, Astro. These vending machine styles go by a lot of names. I have two here. This is an Oak with a larger cabinet on the top. This is a standard Eagle. You'll see a lot more of these. This is your standard cage without the plexiglass panels and your standard hopper on the bottom. This is a Oak Vista hopper. Today we're going to be talking specifically about wheels, wheel types, different kinds of wheels and what they're used for. So we'll start off first. We're going to talk about the candy wheel. So here we have what is a deep dish candy wheel. Has a lot of different settings on it. You can see it's numbered 1 through 5, and basically you would loosen these 3 screws and turn it to the number you want for the amount of candy that you want to dispense. Like I said, that's a deep dish wheel, and then this would be the standard wheel. It's not as deep, so it's meant to dispense less candy. These are going to be the ones that you're going to want to use more frequently, because as the cost of candy rises, unless you're changing to 50-cent coin mechanisms on your machines, you're going to want to stick to this one, and probably near the lower settings. Really low setting for the smaller items like your Skittles, standard M&Ms, and then slightly larger for your Mike and Ike's, M&M peanuts, and stuff like that. So those are the two candy wheels. It's pretty simple to install those in your hopper. So you'd put the lower section of the wheel in first, line up one of the dispensing units with the bottom hole, and you'd put the second part in. 2 screws, one on each side, holds that wheel in place. The second type of wheel, and I would say probably the more popular style to be used, would be the gumball and capsule wheel. Gumballs and capsules are going to yield your highest profit margin, and that's why they're going to be more likely to be used. There's a couple different things going on here. So I have an older style one, which is the white one, and then I have a newer style one, which is the red one. First off, you have a riser plate. The riser plate is going to be used for the bottom of the hopper, and it's going to be used on gumballs and bouncy balls. If you're using capsules, toy capsules, 1 inch, 1.1 inch, you're not going to want to use the riser plate. You're going to want to remove the riser plate. Say you're doing gumballs, you'll insert the riser plate first, line the teeth on the riser plate with the bottom of the hopper, like so. Second off, you'll take your wheel, put it in, align one of the dispensing circles with the bottom of the hopper, like so. Under the top spring ring, put that in, and then 2 screws will hold this in place. Now the older style I have here, as you can see, the top part just has a wire across, and that keeps the gumballs from falling through. So same thing here, riser plate, wheel, and then your top assembly, the 2 screw holes that hold it in place. Now on the older style wheel, they had these inserts here. These inserts would go in here, and that would be for dispensing smaller gumballs or smaller bouncy balls, like your 1080 count or even smaller. And that was optional. And again, with this one, to do the capsules, you just remove the riser plate, not use it, and install these 2 pieces separately, aligning the circle with the bottom hopper. Alright guys, this has been a tutorial on wheels for the Oak, Vista, Astro, and Eagle cabinet. If you have any questions about anything that I put in this video, go ahead and message me in the comments below. Like and subscribe to my page for more content like this. Also, I'll be going over some of my routes and what I do with some of the products pictured in the back of this video.